Hi everyone, thanks for sticking around to the end. My name is Philip, and this is Martin, and together we are OCDCR, which I couldn't really think of the name, and we used a lot of the OCR technology in the services. So we've known each other for a while, and this was a long time ago when we had bright ideas of how to make money. And this was the main idea, which was how to rob pub quiz machines. So back in around about 2006, there was all these pub quiz machines that you could go up to and waste all your pound coins. And we thought it'd be great if we could get the answers without having to think too hard. Along 10 years later, Microsoft Cognition Services came along, and we thought we should try that out. So the overall idea was we would get the image from a Surface, or if that was a bit too obnoxious, we would use it on a Windows phone, because I have one of them. And we would then get the text from it using the computer vision OCR recognition, and then we would pass that to Bing or Google or Wolfram Alpha to get the answer, which would then tell us what to do. So yeah, that's just in a nutshell what we're doing. We decided to use the Windows 10 SDK version of OCR because it was a little bit faster than the other one. So now, if we go to the demo on this machine, so we went out last night instead of working through the night to find pubs with these boxes still there, and we spent a while recording these ones. And so here we go. So we have the question at the top and the answers down the bottom. So we split up the regions using the rectangles that you get back from the services, and then we were able to pass that. So we found where the text is. Text R, and then obviously the question to this answer is obviously Bondage Beach, which is not a part of the city. So this sort of highlights the text that you get back from there. So it didn't really quite work out what Sydney was. So it was a little difficult to try and get the right question in the right order. So after we went home and slept on it a little bit, we decided to do something a bit more better with our time and efforts. So we have a second project to show off today. So. There we go. So we use all those APIs there. So my wife's a primary school teacher, and speaking back to the presentations yesterday, how to be a better parent, and this is, I think, a good thing for all of us. So the books that kids have to read nowadays are dull, flat, 2D, uninteresting, not very entertaining. So we wanted to use the stuff that we built, or that we were going to build this morning, on augmenting the displays that you get, so the information that's displayed on the screen. So we did the same sort of idea. So we're getting context and getting the images from what is being written on the screen. So I think I will quickly, yep, there we go. So we search for nouns, we search for verbs, and then we go on to image search and pull those information back. So we sort of ran out of time a little bit. So this is what it should look like. So there'll be a tiger being detected there, there's text on the bottom. So now I'll quickly go over to, if you want to set up.
Sure. This one, hope this will just change over.
Yep.
Yeah, so we built it on top of a UWP sample that we had. So again, this is our image. We've loaded up, similar to the other example.
And the text at the bottom?
We've got a little bit of text, unfortunately it's not quite worked out. So the text, we can parse that through. It goes off to the cognitive services, sends the image up, comes back down. So we use the OCR to find the tiger came to the kitchen, sat down at the table, and then we sent it then to the linguistic services where we pulled out the main things are tiger, kitchen, and table in that sentence. So with a little bit more time, we would have liked to then use the Bing, the Bing image search, and I think it's got the knowledge graph, where we probably bring up some information on a tiger, show a tiger, or a video of a tiger. I don't think you probably find any matching all of those, but if you would, I would have waited.
Yep. Yeah. And then finally, just to wrap up, because I know running out of time, we all want to go home. We want to finish this off by doing it in real time, obviously, so it'll be a full augmented reality application. It then be extended to not just recognizing text from books, but also the children's handwriting themselves. So we would do the handwriting, the pen API, and see if that works on images. Obviously, you'd have to protect the content that your children are about to see, so no 4chan could come along and inject things. And then there'll be DLC, because we're Microsoft and we like that sort of thing, so we could get like artist to develop special packs that we could sell in the app and things like that. And eventually we'll get around to finally putting it on iOS or Android, because I hear some people use them rather than Windows Mobile for some reason. So thank you very much.